Hey guys, what's up? I just want to do a quick screen capture here today for you, and I want to tell you about our new exciting upcoming workshop in Keystone Heights, Florida, which is an Introduction to Cobb workshop. Now this is actually our 5th workshop we're doing at this location, and we've just had an amazing experience so far. So I'm going to scroll through the page here, and this is on my site, thiscobbhouse.com. Just go to the Workshops tab. You'll see all the workshops located there, and you'll find it there. Okay, so the dates are May 28th to June 1st, 2018. So it's actually in another couple weeks here. So this is going to be a really unique experience for people. People have always been leaving after the workshop very, very happy and encouraged and empowered, and they really feel like they've learned a lot. You know, we pack a lot of information into 5 days. I cover pretty much everything, and I'll go through that here. So here are hands-on work topics. So I go through how to make cob using a tarp. The first day I teach how to make cob with a tarp, and then after that we mix with a mortar mixer. The mortar mixer is like 10 times faster than mixing with your feet, so we opt for the mortar mixer. I teach you how to select and test soils for cob. Several different ways how to do that, how to find your ratio, the correct ratio depending on what soil you use for your cob, because the soil differs pretty much everywhere. I teach you how to build cob walls. I teach you my method. My method differs a lot from people such as Ianto Evans out in Oregon. I follow more the traditional English method from England. I go over windows and doors, door frames, how to attach the door frames and window frames into cob. We use what's called a dead man. I'll show you that at the workshop. I do a rammed earth demonstration, how to make rammed earth, and go over earth and plaster. Then we have some other modules here, which we started doing just to give people sort of a basic idea of some basic construction, like concrete mixing and pouring, how to cut PVC pipe and connect PVC for plumbing. And then we've got lots of classroom topics, site selection and design, materials, tools, foundations, big important topic, drainage principles, basic electrical and plumbing, how to install windows and doors, again, how to attach a roof to cob walls. I'll go over bond beams as well. Go over natural plasters and finishes, and just an overview of all natural building materials. So it's really a very comprehensive workshop. It's not just about cob, really. So, yeah, I'll be teaching this workshop. Pretty much we start at 8 o'clock in the morning and take a couple breaks. We have a good lunch break, and then we'll end the day usually around 4:30, 5 o'clock. So it's really not very stressful, to be honest. The weather's usually been pretty good too. So yeah, that's that. And then we got some other bonuses here for people coming to the workshop. Now you actually get a cob certificate if you complete the 5-day workshop. So I'll give you a certificate signed by myself, and everybody who comes also gets a printed version of my book, so you can follow along in the book as we go through the workshop. And everybody just loves to have this book. It's a really great addition, a really good supplement. So go to this page if you want to get all the information. Again, I've got video testimonials from past students at this particular workshop site. Everybody has loved it. It's been a great experience. There's information on lodging, food. Most people camp there at the site. It's free. Of course, there's places to stay around. There's lots of food places around, things to do. Okay, so family and groups. I give discounts for families and groups coming. Okay, so prices. The regular price is $5.99. That includes everything. Your ability to camp on the site for free, your all the classes and instruction, of course, your certificate, and your book. So that's all $5.99. There's additional discounts for family and couples or friends participating together. Teens are half price and children under 13 are free. So you can go here and click sign up, and that'll take you to the checkout page. It just takes you like probably 2 minutes to go through that. It's really easy. Got it all on a nice checkout service. And then after you sign up, you'll get sent automatically all the details on the workshop, location, what to bring, all those other details, directions, and things. Okay, so if you have any questions, you can email me also at alex@thiscobhouse.com. And yeah, it's going to be a really, really good workshop. We've had such an amazing experience there so far, and we're at a really exciting point in the project. So go check it out, and I really hope to see more of you there in a couple weeks. All right, talk to you later.